2005 Volvo S60R right front passenger side turn signal bulb replacement. As you can see, she is way down in there. In order to remove the headlight, requires you to remove part of the bumper and a bunch of other pieces. That takes way too long. But for the people that don't know, you can come over here. It's a T25 Torx. You'll unscrew it, and then there's a rubber hose right there. Just come in, pull it out. You'll grab the washer neck here, kind of twist and wiggle, pull it up and out of the way. And now you got full access to the bulbs, sort of. So you can push these wires out of the way or just kind of grip them, and you'll turn this clockwise. Spin it toward the back of the car. And there's your turn signal bulb. Let me get a better angle. Once you get past all the wires, if you're doing it one-handed, that is. Goes a lot faster with two hands. But that's how you get to your turn signal bulb and replace it. And you just put it all back together in reverse order. Note when taking out your filler neck that you don't have any dirt or debris, and try not to touch the bulbs. That way you don't shorten the life of them. Hope this helps.